Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically generate WooCommerce products description and meta keywords for SEO. I'm using Yoast SEO plugin, so meta description, meta keywords, and meta title and URL. The slug of the product will be SEO friendly. So let me show you my products on my store. So I have currently something like 500 plus products in my store, 564, and all are already SEO optimized. But if any of my product is not SEO optimized yet and I use the same plugin, then I will click on this update SEO for this product. So currently you can see the SEO title is this, robot vacuum cleaner and mop combo is the key phrase. If I click on update SEO, then it will automatically regenerate the meta description, the SEO title and the key phrase, as well as if I show you the product's front end, it will update the product description according to SEO standards, and it will now refresh the page, and it regenerated all these three things. And also the product description is this one, which is highly SEO friendly. And I have another plugin also which adds the YouTube video from that product from YouTube, and this is the short description. So this is how the SEO meta description and meta key phrase are added, and this is because of a plugin. And if I want to update all of these products, not clicking each products one by one, then I have this enhance SEO page within the same plugin. And if I click on start bulk optimize, then it will get all 563 products. I have 564, but one product is already updated using this plugin. So once all these products are updated from here, it will not detect these products again and only update new products, because SEO is very important, and if next time it again update this SEO, that is not good for Google. So that is why it will skip those products which are already optimized using this plugin. So now we have three plugins optimized. If I refresh this page and if I start bulk import again, then it will only get 561. So this plugin is available on importwoocommerce.com. If I go to importwoocommerce.com website, let me show you. Then this plugin is listed on the home page. If you scroll down, this is AI SEO content generator for WooCommerce. And I told you about the YouTube video generator. This is the plugin auto add YouTube videos to WooCommerce. If you install this one, this will automatically add YouTube videos to all of your WooCommerce products, and the videos will be highly relatable. So this plugin can be purchased from here. If you want to buy this plugin, I will give you a coupon. The coupon will be in my video description page, and if you apply this coupon, you will get a 50% discount. So instead of 30, you will get this plugin for $15. So please remember to check the description for the coupon if you want to buy this plugin, and let me know in the comments. Thank you.